Where are we at, Jack?
Mequon Nature Preserve.
What are we doing?
Just getting our exercise in.
Are you being nice to your mommer?
I think so.
Okay, let's continue our adventure.
Taking a video.
I know. I think this one's pretty, whatever it is. Maybe it used to be a coneflower or something. What's behind you, Jack?
The observation tower.
Are we going to climb it?
I think so.
Oh, you're adventurous. I love all the different colors of the goldenrod and the purple flowers. And can you hear the frogs? There's ponds around here somewhere. Okay, we're at the observation tower. Now you can see the countryside. Where are we at, Jack?
We're at the top of the observation tower.
Do you like it?
Nice.
Why don't you look over there and see what you can find? Look at, oh, there you are. Look over the prairie. We're next to a soybean field. This is a farmer's land of soybeans.
I wonder why he didn't harvest them.
Maybe they have to dry in the sun. A soybean field. How pretty is that?